How to check watch history on Twitter. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Twitter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen. Then simply scroll down to Settings and Support. After you've done that, simply click on Settings and Privacy. Then in here, click on your account. Then download an archive of your data. You'll need to enter your Twitter password. After you've done that, verification code will be sent to your email. Copy paste the code. After you've done that, you'll find your watch history in here. It will take some time, like 24 hours. After that, you'll be able to download your data and check watch history. This is how to check watch history on Twitter X. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.